time for us to take a quick look at our product review of the week, and this week we're looking at the UTI Equity Fund. This is a large and mid-cap fund from the UTI house. It has stronger siblings in the same category. There's the UTI Dividend Yield, there's UTI Opportunities, but in the last 3 years this fund has really managed to climb up to a point where we have to take notice of it. What do you think of the fund right now from where it stands? Do you think that it's worth a bet at this point going forward?
Absolutely, it is worth a bet. It has made a mark, and in past 5 years, I think it has been able to make a name for itself, and it has done it with great prudence in a sense of diversity of portfolio. I have not seen any unusual big bet in the portfolio on the sector as well as the stock, and it is showing all the symptoms of a great fund, which is falling less than other funds when the markets tumble, and be able to rise well in rising times. So I would say that this fund is well on its way to bury its long history of underperformance.
Right. Now I mentioned the other two funds that the fund house has in this category. There's Dividend Yield, there's UTI Opportunities, and there's this one, UTI Equity. These three might be large and mid-cap, but they're each very different in their investment strategy. So what kind of an investor would you recommend look at UTI Equity among the three choices?
UTI Dividend Yield is a very unusual fund. Is a different fund, that it is relatively high yielding stock, and they have different characters. This is a combination of all that. So the flexibility, diversity of the portfolio, that makes me think that if you have to choose one fund from these three, it should be UTI Equity. Based on the simplicity of mandate and the way UTI Equity has done, I would say choose UTI Equity.
All right, UTI Equity. Finally, Dhirendra, your rating of UTI Equity, what would you place it at?
I would give it a 5-star. If one has to consider investing in few equity fund, it can well be one of those.